Today, Linda going to help me to present the Tonkatsu Japanese cuisine, and it take 10 minutes to prepare times, delivery access using the and here what Linda will help me to present the whole recipe.
Hi, my name is Linda. Today I will be sharing with you a special Japanese cuisine from Japan. Tonkatsu is an Asian interpretation of crumbed steak and has become one of Japan's most popular dishes. Even the dipping sauce has a Western flavor, as it is based on Worcestershire sauce. You can buy ready-made tonkatsu sauce, or you can make your own from this recipe. Before we start cooking, prepare the list of ingredients first. 500 g lean pork, sliced into 2 by 7 cm strips, salt and pepper to taste. 1 large egg, beaten, and cup 80 g plain flour. 1 cups 90 g fresh or dried breadcrumbs. 1% cups 340 milliliters vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon sesame oil optional. Tonkatsu sauce, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. 3 teaspoons Dijon mustard. 2 tablespoons barbecue sauce. Once our ingredients list is ready, we can start cooking. Number 1. To make the tonkatsu sauce, place all the ingredients in a small bowl and whisk until well combined. Spoon the sauce into small serving dishes set aside. Number 2. Season pork with salt and pepper and weave the meat onto 12 wooden skewers. Place the egg, flour, and breadcrumbs on 3 separate plates. Number 3. Roll the skewers, one at a time, in the flour, coating lightly. Roll in the beaten egg, then in the breadcrumbs to coat evenly. Squeeze the skewers gently to set the crumbs firmly in place. Number 4. Place a large frying pan over moderate heat and pour in the vegetable and sesame oils. Fry the skewers in 2 batches until golden, about 3 minutes, turning occasionally. Drain on paper towels and serve with the tonkatsu sauce. Preparation 15-20 minutes. Cooking 10 minutes. PER serving calories 140 kilojoules, 600 fat, 9 g carbohydrates, 5 g fiber, nil. Protein 11 g cholesterol, 40 milligrams. Here is the recipe variation if you decide to make some changes. Instead of making skewers, you can cut the pork into 4 thin steaks. Flour each steak, then dip in the egg and coat with the breadcrumbs. Fry for about 4 minutes on medium heat, turning once or twice. When cooked, slice the pork diagonally and serve on a lettuce leaf. Health watch: if using dried breadcrumbs, you can cook the skewers in a non-stick pan with very little oil. Crumb the skewers and refrigerate, uncovered, for at least 2 hours. Use a pastry brush to apply a little vegetable oil to each skewer and cook over moderate heat until golden. Cook's tips to make fresh breadcrumbs. Remove crusts from 2-3 slices of day-old white bread, tear them into pieces. Place in a food processor or blender and chop into coarse crumbs. Serving suggestions: arrange the skewers on small plates over coleslaw, or serve on a large platter over shredded lettuce or cabbage. Place the sauce in a shallow bowl beside the plates or on the platter. Wines and drinks: serve with a red wine, such as a Cabernet Merlot. You should be enjoying what you are doing. Did you know? In Japan, pork is called ton, while katsu is the Japanese pronunciation of the English word cutlet. Like the famous tempura, this breaded cutlet was imported from the West and is very similar to a German schnitzel. It is now one of the most popular meat dishes in Japan. My mentor Dickie is teaching how you can craft a detailed and mouth-watering recipe for the beloved and versatile soup, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your specialty at your home for a business online. For need more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website: https://plrsalesfunnel.com.